Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. Eating raw mangoes during pregnancy. If this is the question that is coming in your mind, here is the full video for you. Watch this video till end, do not skip anywhere. So let's get started. First of all, in one sentence, yes, eating raw mangoes are good for you. You have to take care of few points that I will be telling you. Let's understand about the benefits of eating raw mangoes during pregnancy. The number one benefit is it improves your immunity. Raw mango has good amount of vitamin C and it increases your immune system. So the normal flus and infections and cold and cough problems that is generally happening to the pregnant woman is very much reduced if you increase your immunity, and you can increase your immunity by eating raw mangoes. Number second benefit is your digestive system also works on your digestive system. It makes it robust and it also alleviates you of so many stomach problem related to indigestion, heartburn, acidity, bloating and lot more. So if you are suffering from all these problems, then raw mango is a boon for you. During pregnancy and normally during the first trimester, morning sickness is a very common problem. So if you eat raw mango after waking up, this problem can be highly taken care of. Raw mangoes have good amount of vitamin C and it maintains the level of calcium in the body. And calcium is such a thing that it is very much required for the development of bones and teeth of the baby in the womb. Also, it is very much required by you as well, because there is deficiency of calcium ultimately in your body when the bones and the body structure and the teeth of baby is under development. Raw mango can also boost up your energy level. So if you are feeling low or you are getting tired very easily, so raw mango is an energizer for you. It provides you instant energy. So you should go for the raw mangoes in any form. During pregnancy, if you are suffering from gestational diabetes, then also raw mango can help you a lot, because they help you in maintaining the blood sugar level in the body, and so it alleviates you of the problem of gestational diabetes. Raw mangoes also act as a blood purifier and also keep the diseases that are related to the blood at bay, as it has got ample of vitamin C, and also it helps in the creation of new blood cells in the body, and so it maintains the level of blood that is required for you during pregnancy. So friends, there are immense benefit of eating raw mangoes, but there are some precautions as well, that if you are allergic to eating raw mango, kindly avoid it. If you are overeating it, do not do it, because you can have throat infections or you can have problem in your stomach. And also eat only the seasonal raw mangoes. Do not eat raw mangoes when it is not in the season. Always make it sure that you are washing raw mangoes properly before consuming it, because it can have traces of chemicals that are used to bring it to the market safely. So let's understand about the quantity of raw mango. Do not overeat raw mangoes. Overeating of anything during pregnancy is not good. If you are in your first trimester, that is the first, second, third month, then the 1/8 of a normal size mango is good for you. In case you are in your fourth month and ahead, you can go for maximum of 1/4 of a raw mango. More than that is not at all good for you. It can bring complications as well. So friend, this was all about eating raw mango during pregnancy. Hope you have liked this small information. If you like it, do not forget to press the like button at the below of the video, and also if you have not subscribed to our channel, do not forget to press that red subscribe button and also the bell icon to get strongly connected with our channel and get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. So thank you very much friends for watching this video and understanding the topic. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.